How to fix NHS login not recognizing identity. So in here, the very first thing you want to do is, of course, ensure that the photo of your ID, passport or the driving license is clear and well lit and also is uncropped, right? So after making sure that, you can also record the identification verification video very clearly, speaking the required numbers out loud, right? So after doing that, you can try to match your full legal name, date of birth, and also your NHS number with your GP surgery record. Sometimes when it does not, due to some typos or something like that, there would be this kind of problem arising, so double check that. And lastly, try to request IAP, identity verification link or code directly from your GP practice if online automated verification repeatedly fails. And after doing all of these, I'm pretty sure you will be able to fix that NHS login not recognizing identity.